Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat videos not playing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you have recorded the video and want to play it and it's not working, and if you want to see the reels here and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, you have to open Play Store, and there you have to search for the Snapchat and make sure that you're using latest version of the app. Then go back, and after that you have to tap and hold the app and just simply have to tap on app info. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to clear the cache or storage and force stop the app, and after that you will be logged out from Snapchat app. Just simply log in your account again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to force restart your device, then uninstall the app and then reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open any browser and just simply have to search for Snapchat Down Detector. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on first link. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, and if you notice lot of spikes here, then it means Snapchat source is down. So you have to wait for some hours, and after that your problem automatically will be fixed. And if the Snapchat source is not down, then your problem will be fixed by doing previous method that I have already told you. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.